Come on, big hit, Tom. Come on, big hit, Tom. Come on now.
If I was in college and I was working on it every day, I would already had a home run. I hope he goes back and watches the video.
Mayor, what is he looking for? He's looking for one of the dirt that he can golf. I mean, one right down the middle.
He said he's seen it. He's just not pulling the trigger. So he said.
Good tee.
God, what in the world?
And hit the truck.
Yeah. See them hit it. Let's go.
Come on, get ready.
That ball.
Come on, get ready to hit now.
I beat it up.
Beat that hit. He's in there.